Not scrolling. See, I need to read down here, but it will not scroll. Let's see. And all it does is highlight. Let's see. Try to use a scroll pad. Nope. Try clicking. Nope. All it does is highlight. Use this. Nope. Let's see. Brings it up, and I can't get down here. And another one bites the dust. Let's see. I'm gonna go fix this right quick. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna show you how to fix a laptop that does not scroll. Now, I am an electronics genius, you know. Let's see. And laptop is now, oh, hold on, I missed a spot. Now it's fixed. Yep, works just fine now. That's how you fix a laptop, ladies and gentlemen.